Good morning, my name is Kevin Hartmann. I'm going to help guide you through number 53 of the book here, this limiting reagent problem. So we have my equation up here, as you see right there. It's all beautifully balanced for me, so I can kind of skip that step and get right into figuring out how much of each one of these that it'll produce. So our givens right here, we have 40 grams of FeO and 10 grams of magnesium. So first we're going to find out how much FeO can produce, how much 40 grams can produce. So first thing we want to do, we want to convert this grams into moles. So we're going to set it up like this. So 1 mole of FeO is equal to 71.85 grams of FeO. And we got that by adding up the molar mass of iron and oxygen there. Rest of our equation. So that's going to put it into moles for us. And then for moles, we want to turn that moles into grams to see the mass that this 40 grams can produce. So the unit equation for that is going to be 1 mole FeO over 1 mole of iron over 1 mole FeO. So that's going to take it from moles of FeO to moles of iron, Fe. And then we're going to figure out the grams, how much a mole of iron is. And that unit equation is going to be 55.85 grams of iron over 1 mole of iron, since the molar mass of iron is 55.85. When you do all that equation, put that in your calculator, you come out to 31.09. So that's how much 40 grams of FeO can produce. So to find a limiting reagent, we're going to take a look at how much the 10 grams of magnesium, which is our given, can produce, as you see at the other side of our equation. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put 10 grams of magnesium into how many moles that is. So 1 mole magnesium over 24.31 grams of magnesium. Again, 24.31 being the molar mass of magnesium. Then we're going to convert that into moles of MgO. So 1 mole MgO is equal to 1 mole magnesium. So the next one is find the mass of the MgO that's going to be produced. So then that is going to be 40.31 grams over 1 mole MgO. And we do all that calculations, you're going to come out with 16.558 grams. So simple math tells you that 16.58 is less than 31.09, so that means that the magnesium is going to be the limiting reagent, meaning that I believe it was asking for the mass of iron produced, so the mass of iron produced is going to be 16.58 grams. That is all.